Tonight we're going to talk about algebraic expressions and how to evaluate them. So if I have an algebraic expression, it could be anything. Remember, an algebraic expression is just involves a variable and an operation. So that's an algebraic expression right there. If I'm going to evaluate it, I have to know what a's value is. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug in 3 plus a when a is 10. I'm just going to go ahead and plug in 10 where a is. Then do the operation. It's just that. So in this case here, I have w squared when w equals 5. All that means is I'm going to go ahead and change this to 5 squared as I substitute in the value of w, and that's 5. So 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5, and that's just 25. So this is a little bit more complicated because this says 4b minus 10 when b is equal to 5. I still have to substitute in here, but remember that means it's times 5 now because it's 4 times b. So I do my multiplication because of order of operations. It's going to be 20 minus 10. So the answer to this is going to be 10. So in this problem here, I have 6 times t divided by 9 minus 22. So what I have to do is I have to substitute in t's value. So it's going to be 6 times 60 divided by 9 minus 22. 6 times 60 is 360 divided by 9 minus 22. You'll see there's a lot of steps here. 360 divided by 9 is going to get me to be, let's see, it's 40 minus 22, and then I can just do 40 minus 22, that's equal to 18. So that's the final answer there. So in this type of problem, you're being given a variety of values for b, and you then substitute into this part here, this equation here, 3b plus 5. And you're seeing what comes up. So I'm going to do this first problem in blue. So it's going to be 3 times 1 plus 5. So that's going to be equal to 3 plus 5, which is going to be 8. This one I'll do in green. So it's going to be 3 times 2 plus 5. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 8 is going to equal to 11. And then the last one I'm going to do is here, 3 in black, 3 times 3 plus 5. So that's going to equal to 9 plus 5, so that's 14. So this is going to be 14. This is going to be 11. And then this one here is going to be 8. So that's how those type of problems work. And a lot of the math we're going to be doing with this, we're looking for the relationship between the variable and the answer you want in the end when you substitute in a value for it. So we're going to do this a lot. This is the basics of algebra and pre-algebra. So pay attention because this is going to be something we're going to cover a lot in the next couple of years.